So good day, everybody. My name is David Turner. I'm the marketing manager for Valley Alarm. But we have a couple of techs here, and today they're going to be installing a couple of pole kits here at this concrete manufacturing location in the San Fernando Valley. Our pole kits, if you don't know, are like mobile security trailers you may have seen in parking lots. But unlike the trailers, the pole kits are mounted to a pole, but they have the exact same functionality: live video top down, night color cameras. They monitor your site 24/7, and they're a great way to secure job sites like this one. So I'm just going to spin around so you can get a quick view of everything, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of this video.
Hey everybody, so my name is Estrada. I'm with Valley Alarm as well. I'm a sales representative here. So the company called us in because they're having some concerns about people trespassing the property and doing vandalism to the trucks. So what we're going to do is we're going to protect the property, protect the trucks, and get eyes all along the premises and the entryways there. So that's why no people could go ahead and get inside the property, as well as commit any vandalism or theft to the trucks themselves. We're installing a video monitored system that's going to go ahead and survey the property line. That's going to use AI technology and live intervention to prevent anybody from coming into the premises.
It's going to be perfect because it's smaller. It's going to make its way in. Now look at that right here.
This is a walk test audio for camera 3. This is a walk test audio for camera 1.
We just finished installing the ValleyGuard system. Well, I didn't, but our technicians just finished installing the ValleyGuard system onto this guard shack here.
I gotta try to get some muscle back.
Right there.
Drink it all the way.
So that's the system. It's going to be protecting this entire area right here. And so I hope you enjoyed
This is a
following
walk
us
test audio for camera 1.
in the process. Thank you very much.